Hi, my name's Danielle. I'm your hairstylist for today. I'm with the lovely Jennifer, and we're going to show you how to install crochet styles with a non-camo base. Blue, blue. This will be done by taking multiple plaits all around the head instead of doing camos going straight back, and the crochets will be installed individually. First, we're going to section the hair. So we're going to take a middle parting from the front to the nape. Then we're going to go ear to ear. You just clip away your sections or make it easier for you. I'm now going to part her hair going backwards. Clip that away and then split this section into two to begin plaiting. It's going to plait downwards whilst keeping some tension, but not too much where it's pulling on the hair. So now you have your plaits. I'm going to show you how to install the Boho Majesty Twists. This method can be used for any boho locks style. So now you're going to use a crochet needle, loop it through the base of the plait, and attach it to the top of the twist. Close the latch and pull through. Take the end of the twist, loop it through, but before securing it, loop the plait through the hoop as well. And pull through to secure. Now you're going to take your crochet needle and find the middle of the twist and loop it through. Try and keep the latch open whilst you're looping it through. Once you get near the base, grab the end of the plait, loop it through the latch, close it, and pull it through. And then release. And there you have it. Push the crochet needle through the middle of the twist until you get near the base. Grab the end of the plait, close the latch and pull right through. And then release. And then we'll repeat that for the rest of the head. This is the final look of individual crochet twists. You don't need to know how to camo to achieve this look. Jennifer's looking fabulous. How are you feeling?
Thank you. I love this hair. It's so light and I love the colour.
That's a wrap, guys. I'll see you later.